Okay, let's check the radio again. Left, right, down, up. Little throttle, watch your face. Let's try full throttle. Okay, well, I'm glad we did that. I just checked. I know the voltage is good.
Did you see all three of them?
No. Oh, we didn't turn on the plane's camera either. Let me test the gun again. A little bit up and a good strong heave. Ready? Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, that's full left aileron. Holy. Ah! That was, it was curving left. I was on full right aileron to make it do that.
I wonder why.
Damn it. That motor mount's good. That's a good sign. Oh, it munched the nose bad. But that doesn't matter. But I don't... I mean, I added the BBs there ahead of the CG. I was checking the CG with fewer BBs, but... See what this way. What was it? I guess it was just not going fast enough. Because I backed off the throttle, and then it just started curving to the left.
It did seem to be going straight until you backed off the throttle.
Yeah.
The weird thing was, it was like, it almost was like a car driving on ice. It was like turning, but not at a bank. Like it was just like turning flat.
Huh.
Like a frisbee.
Plane has been rebuilt. Nose is tweaked. Not worrying about that. Gun remounted. Oh, plug in the gun. Gun firing test. Seems to be working. All right.
It has turned itself off.
Okay, I say psych yourself up for some bizarre ass flying.
And so full throttle is the plan. Get up a crap load of speed and height. I'm not going to worry about strafing for a while.
Right. No, you just want to fly the thing. Radio check.
Come a little closer, dude. Yeah, close side of this dirt. Oh yeah, radio check.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Ah. I don't know what that was. Dang it. I didn't even back off the throttle when it hit. I probably ripped the motor mount off.
Considering you went into full throttle, you didn't end.
But I think had you let the throttle off, it was going to completely nosedive.
Yeah, but I didn't, I decided I didn't, it was basically gummish. Look, their whole engine's off. Damn. See the motor. I could have pulled it back right before it hit when it was obvious I was going to hit the wing, but...
Looks like the only damage.
I cannot believe you just full throttled into the ground and didn't...
Yeah, having it being in front of the plane on takeoff, you were right. That was very bad. because I could have started correcting way sooner, but it was coming right over me, and I'm like,
It doesn't matter how good a pilot you are, you could be Chuck Norris, that thing's not going to stay in the air. It did the same thing it did last time we did it. I think it's called a slip, when you do a turn but like stay completely level.
oh yeah, that's what you were saying after the first one.
Yeah, it did the same thing.
You were ready to get shot, and you have no welts. I'm very disappointed. I think we will need a new gun mount, a new airframe for the gun. Different.
New platform.
New platform, there you go.
Mine survived. No problem.
God, the motor mount was such a contraption, though. It's like, I don't want to rebuild it.
And
Do you have the wood? Where's all the wood?
I got
had all this
one piece of wood.
Custom wood that... Oh, it's on the motor. There we go.
Just this piece of wood.
Oh, motor's crunchy.
Cool. I'll let you shoot me if you want.
Okay, the camera's still on.
Whoa, whoa. Not that.
Oh, the...
Did
I get you? You're a stud, dude.
You gotta have a table.
I'll let you shoot me if you want.
Okay, the camera's still on.
Whoa, whoa. Not that.
Oh, that. Did I get you?
White beads.
I know.
Like, you can't see it.
I know. Well,
other than his reaction.
I meant to tell him before we flew. I was going to say, now don't be a hero. If I'm hitting you, I want you to...
Let's see. Ooh.
Oh, yes! Now we must do it from there. Thank you, dude, for giving me that bit of...
I took one of the glasses.
In the glasses. Glad that didn't hit you in the lips.
The only two that I really felt were in the arm, but I think you nipped me with a couple. Don't do it again.
No, I'm not on purpose anyway.
See, because I didn't realize, I thought, it didn't occur to me that you had the switch right there. You know?
Oh, see that? Yeah, because
so
first
I have to get the remote first and stuff. Like, I'm like, you're shooting. Okay.